Oh my gosh, you guys are not going to believe this.
What is it?
So, okay, like, we all spend way too much time on social media for our businesses, right?
How about it?
But, like, what if there was something that could just take care of it all?
What do you mean, like all of it?
Like, talking to customers, getting their information, making sales, all that stuff on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok.
Whoa, hold on. Is that even possible?
That's what I thought. But get this, there's this thing called BotSocial AI, and it's supposed to be like this crazy AI chatbot that does all of that.
Okay. I'm intrigued.
Yeah.
Tell me more.
So we're going to do a deep dive today into BotSocial AI and see if it actually lives up to the hype.
Sounds good. Let's figure out if this thing can really run your social media on autopilot.
Right, because imagine all the time we could save.
That's the dream, right? There's so much more we could be doing.
Exactly. So basically, BotSocial AI is this AI chatbot platform that you can use for all your main social media accounts and even your website.
So it's like one central hub for everything.
Yep. And the idea is that it can handle like everything from casual chats to marketing and sales and even customer support.
That's a lot to handle. Can it really do all that?
Now, that's what we're going to find out. But one of the things it's supposed to be really good at is engaging with your audience.
Like responding to comments and messages.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So let's say you post something on Instagram and you get a ton of comments and questions.
Which always happens.
Right. Instead of you having to answer each one, BotSocial AI is supposed to jump in and respond right away.
Even if you're sleeping, you're busy with other stuff.
Exactly. It's like having a 247 social media manager.
That would be amazing.
Mm.
Especially for small businesses that don't have a big team.
Totally. And it's not just about responding to comments, it's also about turning those interactions into leads.
How does it do that?
So you can actually build these interactive chat flows with the AI.
Chat flows.
Yeah. So when someone comments or messages, the AI can guide them through a conversation that's designed to collect their information.
Like their email address or phone number.
Exactly. So for example, someone might ask about pricing.
Right?
And the AI can answer their question and then offer them like a free download or something in exchange for their email.
Oh, that's smart.
Yeah. And then once you have their contact info, you can start nurturing them as leads and hopefully turn them into customers.
So it's like automating your sales funnel.
Exactly. And it can even help you promote and sell products directly through the chat.
Really? How does that work?
So let's say someone's asking about a specific product.
Okay.
The AI can give them more information about it, maybe show them some pictures or videos.
Cool.
And then it can actually guide them through the purchasing process right there in the chat.
Wow. That's impressive.
Yeah, it's like having a virtual salesperson working for you 24/7.
I can see how this could be a game changer for businesses.
Right, and that's not all. It can also handle customer support.
What do you mean?
So you know how you always get those same questions over and over again?
Oh, yeah. Like about shipping or returns or whatever.
Yeah. Exactly. Well, BotSocial AI can be trained to answer all those frequently asked questions.
So you don't have to.
Nope. It can even resolve simple customer issues without any human intervention.
That would free up so much time.
I know, right? And the best part is that it's supposed to sound like a real human.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
How is that possible?
They say that the AI learns from every conversation it has.
So it gets smarter over time.
Yeah. And that allows it to give more context-aware and intelligent responses.
So it's not just using canned responses.
Nope. It's actually understanding what people are asking and giving helpful replies.
That's incredible. It sounds almost too good to be true.
I know, right? But so far, everything we've talked about has been about individual platforms.
Right, like Facebook or Instagram.
But here's the kicker. BotSocial AI can actually manage all your social media from one central dashboard.
Whoa, hold on. So you can control everything from one place.
Yep. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, your website, it's all connected.
That would save so much time and hassle.
I know. It's like the ultimate social media management tool.
This is blowing my mind.
And there's more. It can even help you collect feedback from your customers.
How does it do that?
So it can send out automated surveys or collect feedback through the chat flows we talked about earlier.
So you can constantly be getting insights from your audience.
Exactly. And that can help you improve your products, your services, your marketing, everything.
This just keeps getting better and better.
I know, right? And on top of all that, it integrates with a bunch of other tools.
Oh, what?
Well, the big one is Zapier.
Oh, yeah. Zapier's amazing. It connects to, like, everything.
I know. And with BotSocial AI, you can use Zapier to automate all sorts of workflows.
Well, so you can connect it to your CRM, your email marketing platform, all that stuff.
Exactly. And it also has direct integrations with things like Google Sheets and e-commerce platforms.
So it's like a central hub for your entire online business.
Pretty much. And once you've captured leads, it can even help you nurture them.
What does that mean?
So it can send out automated follow-up messages, personalized reminders, things like that.
Well, that's smart. So you can stay top of mind with your leads.
Exactly. And it can all be done automatically based on how the lead has interacted with you.
So you don't have to lift a finger.
Nope. And to top it all off, you get advanced analytics so you can see how everything's performing.
So you can track your conversions and see what's working and what's not.
Exactly. It's all about using data to optimize your results.
It sounds like they've thought of everything.
Yeah, it's pretty impressive. Oh, and one more thing.
What's that?
They have an affiliate program where you can earn 50% commission on every sale you refer.
Really?
Yeah.
That's pretty generous.
Yeah, you could potentially earn up to $427 per sale.
Wow. Okay, so they're really pushing this as a business opportunity too.
Definitely. And they also have some optional upgrades that give you even more features.
Oh, like what?
So the first one is called the Premium Edition, and it's $47.
Okay, and what does that get you?
It unlocks a bunch of advanced features like removing the BotSocial AI branding so it looks like your own platform.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, and you get more powerful chatbot features, Zapier integration, e-commerce integration, the ability to accept payments in the chat, an AI content generator, and even a commercial license.
Wow, that's a lot. They claim this can help you unlock 100x more profits.
Yeah, they do. The next upgrade is the Unlimited Edition for $67.
Unlimited, what does that mean?
It means you get unlimited chatbots, unlimited conversations, unlimited leads, unlimited everything.
So no restrictions at all.
Nope.
Yeah.
They say this gives you unlimited profit potential.
Okay, then there's the website chatbot for $77. What's that all about?
That one gives you a dedicated AI chatbot for your website.
So it can answer questions and collect leads right on your site.
Exactly. It also has advanced features like natural language processing, conversational memory, a custom knowledge base, and detailed analytics.
Sounds like a pretty robust website chatbot.
Yeah, it does. Then there's the Done For You edition for $197.
Done for you, so they set everything up for you.
Yep. They connect it to your social media, manage your chatbots, the whole 9 yards.
So you don't have to do anything.
Nope. You can just sit back and watch the profits roll in, supposedly.
And the last upgrade is the reseller edition, also for $197.
What's that one?
That one lets you resell BotSocial AI as your own product and keep 100% of the profits.
Oh, wow. So you could start your own software business.
Exactly.
Yeah.
This is a pretty interesting opportunity.
It sounds like it. So overall, what are your thoughts on BotSocial AI?
Honestly, I'm pretty impressed. It seems like a really powerful tool with a ton of potential.
Yeah, they've packed a lot of features into it.
And if it can really deliver on its promises, it can be a game changer for businesses.
Definitely. It could free up so much time and resources.
Exactly. And that's what we all need more of, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
So what do you think our listeners should do?
I think they should definitely check out BotSocial AI and see if it's right for them,
Yeah, it's definitely worth exploring,
especially if they're spending way too much time on social media.
which most of us are.
Exactly. So yeah, check it out and see what you think.
Great advice. Thanks for taking the time to do this deep dive with me. Of course,
Yeah.
anytime. And thanks to all of you for listening. Be sure to check out my other videos for more amazing tips and tools.
See ya.